Welcome back to the special show Young Turks New Delhi at 100. Now, Delhi has established itself as an education hub. It has 15 universities, nearly 85 colleges, 55 management institutes, 7 medical colleges, 10 engineering colleges and over 300 higher secondary schools and hundreds of preparatory schools spread across the length and breadth of the city. So our next guest, Amol Arora, is betting big on just this opportunity. His family venture, Shamrock and Shemford Group of Schools, is a preschool and high school chain started in 1989. In the last 23 years, over 1.5 lakh children have studied from Shamrock, and today the brand boasts of a total of 175 schools across India. Take a look at Shamrock's fascinating journey. His report card sure looks bright. With a brand that's 23 years old and has 175 schools across India. We're talking about Amol Arora and his venture Shamrock and Shemford Group of Schools. Driven by the philosophy that if children enjoy schooling, learning will be effortless and natural. Amol has ensured his schools have a child-friendly environment. So we caught up with him at his Shamrock School in Rohini in West Delhi to find out more about his plans. While Shamrock is a preschool chain, Shemford is a higher secondary chain catering to K-12 students. Helping young minds grow, Amol has had an early start in the world of entrepreneurship.
Before you could even complete your college education, you had opened the first franchisee in India. How has this helped Shamrock grow?
Here I don't have to invest anything. I have the know-how, so I can. It's a question of now taking it to a new location and making it work there. So the franchising worked very well for us, and then from there on, it was just easy growth for me because the real estate, the local partner sources, whether it's his own or on rent, finds the right real estate which will work in that particular location. For me, sitting in an office in Delhi and deciding what will work in Kashmir, which area is good, where will parents be happy to send their children, is a difficult call. It's next to impossible. So that was done by the local partner. And then they bring their own resources to manage. They advertise well, look how the local markets will react. They customize our curriculum as well according to local needs. So we have the best practices collection and we have local know-how which fit very well in our franchise model. So our system is about learning by doing. So everything the children are taught, they're actually taught in a way that it is very interactive for them. They're engaged with that concept. So if they're taught a concept of an apple, a normal preschool might say this, what is this? This is an apple, and show them maybe a picture of an apple. Or the teacher will draw an apple on the board. We will bring apples to the classroom. Children will hold the apples. They will see animations of the apple. They'll do activities around apples.
With a staff of 2,000 people across India, Shamrock and Shemford Group of Schools have seen over 1.5 lakh children walk through its gates. With initial investments from family savings, the venture today has touched revenues of 40 crore rupees.
Our revenue is completely on the fee that we get from children. The fee is decided based on the paying capacity of a particular area. What are parents used to paying? I don't do a cost plus thing or a fixed menu kind of fee structure which restaurants normally have. Here we have to look at the local market. What will work in the local market? What are parents used to paying? So it's not about whether the people have more money or less money. It's about their attitude towards spending for education. So our fee would range from 600 rupees per month. It goes up till 5,000 rupees per month.
How would you rate Delhi in terms of education? And what is the kind of potential that you see for yourself in Delhi?
Delhi has a good education system because here people have options. There are good preschools. People are aware of best practices worldwide. There are good preschools and K-12 schools who are running at an individual level as well and doing a good job. But when you go to smaller cities where they have lack of exposure, they see it on TV, their cousins in Delhi are going to Shamrock and other good preschools. Whenever we open in Tier 3 towns, sometimes the response is phenomenal.
What do you think is lacking in the Indian education system? What is it that according to you needs to be done?
The unfortunate thing is we don't have land, we don't have real estate. Government has to find out some ways of getting more schools into the city. Now how do we do it? Either we use our afternoon resources, we use the government school infrastructure, we allow more classrooms to be built, we allow agricultural land to be converted into a school, which has not been allowed right now. No school land has been given in the last 6-7 years to any school organization. So one is we have to increase the supply. Once supply picks up, all this hullabaloo about nursery admissions which happen every year at this time of the year will actually go down because people have more options then.
Having mastered the franchisee route in India, Shamrock and Shemford Group of Schools has crossed borders for expansion. With 150 preschools and 33 formal schools in 3 countries including India, Qatar and Doha, Amol is working on consolidating his operations and expanding both in the domestic market as well as international.
We are targeting India, of course, pan-India expansion, the SAARC countries and the Middle East. So that's the next area where I see next growth coming from. So right now we've already entered the Middle East, we entered Nepal as well. So I think these are the areas where brand India education will do very well.
All right, Amol, we do hope you have a steady growth. Thank you so much for joining us on Young Turks.
Thanks so much for coming.
Well, that wraps up this special episode of Young Turks, but do catch us next week as we continue to focus on New Delhi. But next time, we will tell you what makes Delhi a creative hotspot. Do send us your comments, your feedback and your suggestions to youngturks@network18online.com. Also, do visit our Facebook page. We've got the highlights of all our shows there. Join the Young Turks community. From all of us here, many thanks for watching. See you next week.